Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you can access the exact account whose messenger history you need. Sign in on the device you'll use and complete two-factor verification. This prevents lockouts. Once signed in, open Messenger or Facebook and allow storage and backups so messages can be exported. Next, navigate straight to your account settings or app settings. Don't wander. Make sure message history and archived items are visible. Then proceed to the conversation list to begin retrieval. Now you locate the conversations themselves. Use the search box with names, unique keywords, or date terms to jump to relevant threads quickly. This saves scrolling. Once a thread is open, check the three-dot menu for View Archived or search in Conversation to find older texts. If you need a full copy, go to Facebook settings, right arrow your Facebook information, right arrow download your information, choose Messages, pick a date range and format, HTML for readability, JSON for analysis, then request the file and wait for it to be prepared. Finally, you download and inspect the exported file or review messages directly in the app. After the archive is ready, save the zip to an encrypted folder or cloud storage you control, then extract and open the HTML or JSON to confirm dates and message completeness. If you need messages back in the app, forward or copy them to yourself or take timestamp screenshots as a backup. If something goes wrong, recheck login and permissions, clear cache or cookies, and retry after 30 minutes. That usually resolves preparation or rate limit errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.